Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Note 9 smartphone at an Unpack event in New York City. So can the Note 9 live up to expectations? Here are our quick hands-on impressions of Samsung's latest handset. The new S Pen now comes with support for Bluetooth, so you can use it like a remote control for your Note 9. And with it, you can launch the camera and take pictures front or back. Perfect for selfies. You can even present slides or control your video playback. The Note 9 will offer the biggest edge-to-edge screen on a Galaxy smartphone to date with a 6.4-inch AMOLED display. Samsung says the camera on the Note 9 is the smartest ever with advanced noise reduction and scene recognition that will automatically optimize the settings for the best shot. There is even a flaw detection mode that immediately notifies users if the image is blurry or the subject blinks. How cool is that? The higher-end version of the Note 9 comes with 512 gig of onboard storage. This, combined with 512 gig of microSD card, gives you 1 terabyte of storage on your smartphone. The Note 9 will feature the largest battery capacity in the Galaxy Note series, coming in at 4,000 milliamps per hour. This promises all-day usage without breaking a sweat. Overall, the Galaxy Note 9 seems to have gotten a nice feature upgrade from the Note 8, but it somewhat lacks a strong feature to stand out from the likes of Huawei, Vivo, or Oppo, its main competition today. But hold your thoughts just yet, we will have a full review when we get our hands on the phone. I'm Timothy Go. You're streaming Tech360.tv from Brooklyn, New York.